Today we're gonna try to visit the chicken area and get some eggs. I say try because I'm not sure how it's gonna go with me filming and walking and egg collecting. We're gonna give it a go. I have a few coops. This one's currently empty, just giving it a rest. This big one, it's about 2,000 square meters. Free-range chickens, but you put chickens into any space. I had them here for a few years now. They basically destroy everything down the bottom, but they still got enough greens from all the trees. The leaves fall down and they eat the leaves. The chickens and the ducks and the goats. Fortunately, she lost her partner and her baby, which remains. Maybe I'll find some other goat to breed her with, but for now she lives with the chickens because the dogs are giving her grief. Isn't that right? Chickens. So bit of a roost before they all slept on trees. See some leftover roosts and trees that are still being used. This one I made I raised the little chickens in my living space and then I put them here. And I just made these so that the little chickens can eat without the big chickens bothering them. It's over there, only the adults are allowed. Alright, and then yeah, lots of homemade nests. Chickens like to nest up away from the predators. So this has served well over the years, and we built this other one under the roof. This one's falling apart, everything's falling apart. We're doing our best. Cardboard. So cardboard and wood chips, anything that's got I can't remember now what it is, what's it called. So yeah, chicken poop and pee basically has ammonia, which makes it smell. And if you put anything that's got, is it carbon? Cardboard, anything wooden, like the old leaves from the pandanus, old boxes, it basically absorbs. This still looks ugly, but absorbs the smell. It doesn't smell. Magic. Alright. And just go check every nest one by one. Have a look. There's an egg. There's another egg. Some chickens started sleeping in these. I hate. It's a pet peeve. Hate chickens sleeping in nesting boxes. It's a huge mess. They sort of stink. I'm trying to wage war on them currently. It's kind of hard to break a habit. Oh no. I have some chickens sitting on eggs. And sometimes they get off without producing offspring, leave too early. Okay, fine. I need to refill the nesting boxes. So yes, the chickens were sitting yesterday. We gave her some eggs. She walked off. Doesn't want to sit on eggs. Okay. Duck eggs I don't collect, I don't eat. Because ducklings sell relatively well. So I sell them. So I give all my chickens duck eggs to sit on. Like that. Take all the chicken eggs. Chicken sit on the duck eggs. And there's more chickens wanting to sit on eggs than there is if I leave them normal chicken eggs, and I get confused with what's to eat and what's been sat on, and it doesn't work. What do you got? What do you have? Oh. And I also put dates, usually on the eggs that are being sat on. I put dates on them so to know once it's 3 weeks for chicken eggs and 4 weeks for duck eggs. Once it's up, the egg hasn't hatched. That's not gonna succeed. See, only duck eggs there. Sorry, Joe. Nothing to sit on. Yeah, no, I wish I left them the eggs, but it just doesn't work out. The other nesting box is a bit higher up. There's not that much activity of chickens laying, so what I can try to do is I can try to take this chicken and show these other eggs that were left behind with some other chicken. That's an off chance, but it might work. There's eggs in there. Have a look. No, she's not interested. Not my nest, not my eggs, right? Right here. Not enough sticks to get up there. Give her a stick. How about that? Eggs is a way to get up and down. No? Think about it. No, not interested. Alright. Well, it's not kind of slim pickings today. I'd expect about a tray a day. And these guys, just don't know what they're doing. Hide the eggs under you. You hear? It's a big feeder. Put the food in there once a day. Like that. And then they eat all day long. Stretches the expanse of the disaster zone. So I brought some frazzle chickens from some other islands. So I got a few frazzle here and there. Also have some excess rabbits here, ducklings. Oh, those ducklings shouldn't be in there. How did they get in there? So yes, now I gotta double down on duckling sales. Around Christmas time, New Year's, nothing sells. There's the hole. They're just going through. Let's have a look. To see, it's just like, yeah, just 5 minutes to get the eggs, but before you know it, this needs a fixing and that needs a fixing, and here's a hole. What's going on with this hole? I leave roofs everywhere. They can make nests. And look what we found. Automatic waters. There's a canister up the top there. It gets automatically filled with the same principle as the toilet cistern. And then gravity fed through the whole enclosure. So yeah, we don't have to water the chickens. That's probably how we can manage to maintain such a large scope of everything with just me and my dad. Changing the fence up a bit. The green wore out. So we're changing the top of the green to a chicken wire. Makes it a bit more brighter, opens it up a bit to the garden beyond. See, they like the trees. Yeah, so chicken area. Tell everybody if I had to choose just one pet, I'd actually choose chickens. I like the interactions between themselves and like watching them. I like the eggs. I practically live off my free-range eggs. Yeah, and I usually have an incubator, so I raise chickens myself like a chicken mom. So now it's broken. I do something about it. Having a rest. Too many pet responsibilities. More ducks. Ducks really gotta eat them. There's way too many ducks. Yeah, the last couple of duckling batches didn't really sell because of the Christmas. Razzles. Razzle-dazzles. This is a bit of a duck corner, this one. This feeder was supposed to have small holes just for small chickens, but the big ones get in there anyway. She's sitting on eggs. When the chickens start sitting on eggs together with the ducks, nothing good ever comes of it. I don't know why. Go on, girl, go on. This chicken has a very long history. Hey, that's a no! Dogs are going crazy. I'll go yell at them. Never a dull moment. Paulina's Pet Paradise. So yeah, that's the tour of the chicken. Oops. Film some little small videos about the. There is. Eh, look at that. Leave them for a second. And eating their own eggs. Hey, that's a no. So yeah. Oh no, dead chicken. It happens. Been so much rain lately that dead chickens, unfortunately, is part of the name of the game. Way too much rain. Everybody says he lived here for decades. This is like the most rainy year ever. It's killing everything. Probably the first sunny day, second sunny day in weeks. Alright, well, that's the tour of the chicken area. That's where most of my food comes from, because I eat eggs and occasionally I eat roosters. There's not that many roosters. Now we're really gonna double down on eating ducks, which is a nice thing. Alright, until next tour, I guess.